Alright, this is called Miniature Golf. Travis, Sandra, Rich, and Kate just finished playing miniature golf. Each player scored a hole-in-one at either the waterfall hole, the windmill, the kangaroo hole, or the hole with the drawbridge and castle. Their final scores were 72, 75, 80, and 82. Tee off with these clues to determine who did what. Note, in golf, the lower score is the better. That's really important because when I was trying this at first, I forgot that this high scores is not what you want. Clues. Number 1, Kate, the boy who shot the hole-in-one on the hole featuring a giant kangaroo, and the girl who got her hole-in-one after putting between the revolving blades of a windmill, and the boy who finished with the score of 72 all enjoy outdoor recreation. Alright, so Kate is not the girl who got her hole-in-one after putting between the revolving blades of a windmill. Kate is not windmill. The boy who... so that means... Let's see... the girl who got the hole-in-one with the windmill, that means it's not a boy. So windmill is not a boy. So that leaves Sandra as the windmill. Okay. The boy who shot the hole-in-one on the hole featuring a giant kangaroo. Kangaroo is a boy. So kangaroo is not Kate. And then the boy who finished with the score of 72. 72 is not a girl. I'm going to go on to the second clue. Sandra got a better score than Travis. So Sandra did better than Travis. So Sandra could not have done the worst. And Travis could not have done the best. So that leaves Rich as the only one who can do the best. Sandra got a better score than Travis. Sandra got a better score than the girl who got a hole-in-one by the waterfall. So Sandra was not the waterfall, but we knew that already. Sandra got a better score than the girl who got a hole-in-one on the waterfall. So that means a girl got a waterfall. There's only one girl left. So this must be her. And Sandra got a better score than her. So Sandra did better than Kate. So Kate could not have done best. Sandra could not have done best either because that's crossed out. So Kate could not have been here because Sandra did better than the girl who got a hole-in-one by the waterfall. Oops, hold on. Yep, that's right. And then it says Sandra's scores was not as good as Rich's score. So Sandra was not as good as Rich, but we knew Rich had already done the best. Since Sandra did better than Travis, and neither of them can be the best, Travis can't be this one. That leaves only one choice, so Sandra has to be that one. Alright, I'm going to go to the last clue now. Travis had a better score than Kate. Travis was better than Kate. And we finished that section now. Travis had a better score than Kate, but had more putts. Oops, hold on one second. Now that, I just did that backwards again, so I have to erase that. Okay, let's try that again. Travis had a better score than Kate. Okay. But had more putts than the girl with the hole-in-one by the windmill. Travis had more putts than the girl with the windmill. That's Sandra, that's true. And he had more putts than the boy who got his hole-in-one by the castle. So Rich had to have his hole-in-one by the castle, which means Travis had the kangaroo. And that completes that section. Now we just have to match up the two. So if Kate was a waterfall and got 82 points, that means the waterfall got 82 points. If Travis was a kangaroo, got it at the kangaroo and had 80 points, then kangaroo has 80 points. If Sandra was the windmill with 75 points, then the windmill had 75 points. And if Rich was at the castle and had 72 points, then the castle had 72 points, and the rest get X'd out. And then that completes this logic puzzle. I hope I did it right. I'll double check my answers, but that's what we do for this one. I checked my answers, they were right.